Hello and welcome to Workout Wednesday. This week we'll be looking at how consistency is key to your training and development, and to help us get that message across, we've got some of the British sailing team members to join us.
Hey, are you not meant to be training?
What? No, I done a session last week. I don't want to be too fatigued. I've got a competition coming up, and yeah, I don't know when. It's going to be a while, but I just don't want to be too fatigued. I don't want to train too much, so no.
Overdone it?
Hayley, what's he doing?
Just finishing my easy bike session on my rest week, followed by my protein, shaken, not stirred.
So to help show the good and bad example that we've just seen, what you saw here is you saw Ailey increase her load gradually over the 4 weeks and then have an adaptation week. If you carry on in that format, obviously over time you will get to a higher point of fitness and sustainability of load. Then if you looked at what Andy did, he did no training whatsoever, then absolutely hit it really hard, so a big spike in training, and then had DOMs and a big rest period. And effectively you just create a little bit of a seesaw pattern through the time. So this would be seen as your bad example, as you are not progressing to a higher level, and Ailey showing perfect example of gradually increasing load over time to get to a higher level overall. Thanks for that, team. So if I was to summarise some of the key points, we need to make sure that training is consistent and gradual over time. Another key thing is to make sure that we don't increase that load by too much each week. Otherwise, we're going to end up injured, ill, or burnt out. And lastly, we need to make sure that we plan in those rest and recovery weeks. This allows the body to adapt to the training and keep on progressing. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week on Workout Wednesday.